G'day, where am I today? I'm at PHETCHABURI Beach, up in Phetchaburi. So I'm going to have a look around and sightsee this beach. I've not been, well I have been up here before, but it's a fucking great day. Look at this. How's that beach? Old mate down there, got his metal detector. Might strike it rich and find a couple of baht. There's a cafe here, Lighthouse Cafe. I'll be definitely going in there shortly to get a nice coffee. But I wanted to come down and show you the Serenity. Serenity? Yeah, Serenity. Down here in Phetchaburi Beach. How nice is it? As I say, there's that Lighthouse Cafe just there. The old Seahorse and the Lighthouse Resort. And a couple of locals over there doing some fishing. Well, they did some fishing, they got some snails. And we'll go for a walk down along this beach. It's fucking nice today. Look at that. How nice is it? The whole stretch of beach to yourself. Oh, we'll go for a stroll along here. Not just a fancy resort. Let's go and suss this out. All right, let's go up and have a look at this. I think it might have been a, I don't know. I think it's a resort. Definitely rooms. Oh yeah, it's a pretty cool statue. Oh yeah, rooms. Little rooms. Can we get in and have a look? There's a whole pile of bloody beds in there. I don't know if you can see, but anyway. Little bungalow resort. This is pretty cool. No one home, obviously. What's in this one? Oh, just little beds, little bungalow beds. I don't know if you can see in there. We can't, but what else we got? Let's go and have a good look around. Pigeons, of course, everywhere. What else? Pretty cool when you stumble across things. As I say, just basic little bungalow rooms. Oh, there's a little area to sit down and have a feed. Not really sure what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Bit of a rock formation setup. The spirit house there. So yeah, more rooms over there. There you have it, little mini resort, bungalow, whatever it may be. It comes along and hangs out along Phetchaburi Beach. Oh, breeze is up now, beautiful. Nice cool breeze. So there you have it. Pretty much, well, right now I've got the resort to myself. Oh, there you go. There's Phuc Tuan Beach just there. There's that statue just there. I've been over there before. See how, oh, you can see how low the tide's out. All right, let's go wandering around, see what else we can find. There's some more rooms here. They're all, can't even see in there. Pigeons going everywhere. I think that's a reception down the front there, but we'll go for a walk through there and have a look. And I'll go for a coffee soon. I'm bloody getting sunburnt. Sun's got a kick today. and the idiot that I am, decided to wear a sleeveless shirt. Anyway. There you go, I'm at the Pet Peach Pool Villa. So that's obviously the reception there. Check in. I don't know what else there is. Oh, coconut room. And the mango room. Okay. Boats and stuff there. I won't go through there. I'll go for a bit of a stroll down through here, why not? Let's have a look. Some homes through here. Shouldn't really get out of the sun, shouldn't I? Yeah, anyway, we've got here the Loft Art Lodge. Looks like some more rooms there. Oh yeah. It kind of look like just holiday homes, I would say. Yeah, holiday homes, I reckon. Alright, so I'm going to walk down through here, and it looks like I can find an abandoned hotel called the PHETCHABURI. So I'll go and look at this, but this is pretty cool. It's like again, I guess they're just all these little resort home villa bungalows that locals come and suss out and just sort of get lost in time. This sort of looks pretty cool and recent. Little pool villa. I can hear a puppy, I can hear a dog. Oh yeah, there's a dog down there. Couple of rooms there. And then you see the Pecha garden in the back there. So I think that might be something abandoned. I don't know if I can get down there, I don't think I can. It's like there's a brick wall there, puppies are going off. Well, clearly people live in these houses. Now, see, even got bikes for you to use. Down through here, got the Eskies. The old pool villa. Rooms 1 and 2 with your pool. Very nice. Hey, how are you? What's up? What's going on? And there's, hey, come on. Shh. Quiet, filming. And then yeah, the abandoned hotel. Just there. See if I can go around and have a look. Hey, come on. Quiet. Shh. Quiet now, come on. See you. See, shut up now. So, there's the wall, and on the other side of that wall is where I walked and where the dogs are. So, I've managed to come around this side and have a look what's behind. Now, there seems to be an aircon there. So, more abandoned rooms through here. Can I go and have a look? What's here? Let's have a look. So just more abandoned rooms. So that's what that is. You need a toilet. Oh yeah. It's just a good old simple classic simple room that you can rent, which these are no condition to rent. But let's have a look at this, what might have been a hotel, which I have a feeling that's what it was. Let's go and poke our head in here. Oh yeah. Let's go to reception, eh? And find out how much is a room for the night. Where's reception? Must be over here somewhere. Oh, hang on, what have I got over here? Got a tool display board. Okay, fair enough. I'm wearing the vest here. Haven't got the best shoes on today. Got the flip flops on. Not the best. We'll go through, have a quick look through the back there in a minute. I'll see people go through there. Can I? Anything fucking through here? No, the toilets. I'm not going to fucking toilets. Now, fuck, look at that. I don't know. There's no bloody railing to go up there. Let's have a look. I don't know what was there. Can I go here? Have a look. Let's take the fucking railing down. Taking the fucking railing down so you can't get up. I don't really want to. It's got me fucking thongs on. Oh! Don't go ass up, but have a look at that. The old abandoned rooms. I'm not going to go any further because of my fucking thongs on. Take my shoes, be different. Now I've got to get back down. This, good luck. Watch me go down. So if I stack it, oh shit, almost went. Not the best in the old flip flops, the old thongs. Alright. Well, should we go at the back and see what's around the back? And see. Can I go through here? No, I have to fucking. Alright, we'll go around the back. Let's go for a walk and see if there's anything exciting. At the back, you can probably get up there. People have probably slept up there, who knows? There you go, Phetchaburi Garden Inn. Oh. Is that lovely hotel music? I think it is. So, I would say that was reception. No idea. Shops maybe. Ah, and you come out the back to the car park. And there's more at the back. Well, clearly people live here. We've got some music happening. And there you go, some more abandoned buildings. Look at this. So this is all part of the hotel. And there's more of it over there. Old mate's got his thing happening. Music. This is pretty cool. Abandoned little hotel. So check that out. More and more of this Phetchaburi Inn and the caretaker. So there you have it. More abandoned places. F26. Oh, you go upstairs. Okay, very nice. I didn't see a pool though. Not the fucking best resort. You'd think you could have a pool, maybe, but nothing. Bit of a shame. Well, there you go, folks. I'll go and find out how much it is for a room per night. If you're interested, I'll, put the website in the description down below. And that's it. There's a tour of this place. 3.5 stars, -6. So there you have it. Well, it is definitely. No, I won't go through there. It's all right. It's definitely fucking nice coffee time. So let's go and grab a nice coffee. Right, this sun's got to me. It's that time, iced coffee time. So let's go and grab a nice coffee in this Seahorse Cafe, and I'll take some lovely photos while I'm in there. Well, that's it. Been up here at Phetchaburi Beach, exploring, looking around, looking at those abandoned places, buildings, villas, hotels, whatever you want to call it. But it is pretty cool. It's all abandoned and stuff up here, all been left. And that's it. I'm done. So, yeah, from this lovely Seahorse Cafe right here on the beach. Ciao now.